All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. If you are in Save Club, chances are you're sending people to this page right here. And I want to tell you that that is a big no-no, simply because you can have your account banned sending cold traffic to this particular page. So I'm going to show you how you can create a simple Save Club funnel, okay, where you can boost your sales using a proving sales Save Club landing page builder that's going to help you build out pages, whatever type of pages that you want in order to promote your Save Club. Now, if you're using, places like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, then yes, it's cool to send people straight to this page right here, simply because you're not sending cold traffic. People you are promoting to on those websites, or platforms like that, are people who know you. Whereas if you're sending solo ads from Traffic Zest or Udemy or something like that, then you can look for your account to be banned in Save Club, because they do not want you sending cold traffic, people you do not know, straight to this page right here in front of you right now. So you can create a funnel, a sales funnel, a Save Club sales funnel, and then direct the people to this page, which is cool. Now you are collecting the lead, you're building your email list and things like that. And you can share with your list of people who join you in Save Club the same funnel that I'm going to share with you inside of this video right here. So this is the actual page of Save Club, and I'm not a member of Save Club, but I did create a simple funnel for it. But I'm going to show you a funnel or a landing page, or Save Club landing page that if I visited it, if I went to it, and I found this in a YouTube video, if I went to the page that I'm about to share with you right now, I probably wouldn't sign up. I would probably click off of it real quick. And I'm going to show you two of those pages. And then I'm going to show you the page that I actually created inside of a $25 funnel builder that you can get access to starting today by clicking the link in the description. So the first page is this one right here, this big red image, Save Club matrix cut off every Friday, midnight Eastern time. How to join Save Club to secure your position. As soon as I saw this right here, and I clicked on a link in a YouTube video, I wouldn't have even scrolled down. I would have just, because what is this telling me? It's really not giving me any information. It's not any, curiosity to it or whatever. It's nothing that makes me want to keep looking at this page. Okay. Now, like I said before, since this did come from a YouTube video and the YouTube video explained everything about Save Club, someone going to this page may continue through the process and scroll down. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to scroll down. But if you were sending cold traffic to this page, you're out of luck. It's not going to happen. You have lost that person. So watch the Save Club matrix cutoff webinar. Okay, start here. And then you got some text here and some images, I think another video and things like that. So I would not even, personally I wouldn't even pay attention to this page right here. Maybe other people would, but I wouldn't. So let's look at another one. This is another one, has a video on top this time. Save Club pre-launch is live. Have a video here, YouTube video, which is a big no-no. And, I hate putting YouTube videos on my pages simply because someone can watch this YouTube video. Just if I click this video.
Welcome to Wednesday.
Okay, now pause it. Look at all these other videos down here at the bottom. Okay, now they're not Save Club per se, but there are other videos that can distract your potential prospect. And also, let me see here. You can copy the link. Let's see if we copy the link and we come over here to another tab and I paste that link in there. Someone can come to YouTube and they can watch this video, but they can also scroll down and potentially see other people over here, promoting Save Club as well. So you don't want to do that. So let's go back to this page. This is another one of those pages I would probably, skip. You can watch on YouTube right here. It's giving people a reason or opportunities to leave your page and go find somebody else inside of Live Good. They have a much better page than this, and they would probably join them so you could be losing sales. Okay, how to join Save Club, another YouTube video and another images, some more text here and things like this. This is another one of those pages I would just pretty much, wouldn't even pay much attention to. It's not clean. It's too busy, if you ask me. As this one over here, maybe not as busy, but it's busy. So I wouldn't, but hey, I hope whoever's using these pages are having, some, good luck with it. Hope they're getting leads and sales with it using this page right here. So those two pages I would not use. Now, what I did, I went inside of my little $25 funnel builder that I love to use, and I created a simple two-step sales funnel for Save Club that you can get access to today when you click the link in the description. Now, I'm going to do some other videos and showing you how to create your own funnels in here, but you can get access to these funnels once you join, because I'm going to have them put these funnels inside of the template area inside of the funnel builder, landing page builder that I like to use, which is the Home Business Academy funnel builder. So this is one of the pages that I created. As you see, what I'm doing here, I am collecting the lead. Okay, I'm collecting the lead. First thing I'm going to get is their email address. Now, you can get their name if you want to, but if you're sending cold traffic, I would pretty much just go ahead on straight and get this right here. A simple page where you collect their email and email address. If the information up here is intriguing enough, okay, with cold traffic, then yes, someone would, want to lock in their free spot. One, it's free. Okay. Two, they have the opportunity to earn $4,095 without sponsoring or selling anyone. Those are things that cold traffic people like to look at, things like that. Something that's going to make it easier for them in order to make some money. Now, I wouldn't necessarily lead with this, because this is talking about, spillover and things like that. And you don't really want people dependent upon spillover, because those types of people are not going to do anything. Okay. So that's going to lock in a free spot. Okay. And you can change this text out. It doesn't matter. This is just something, that I put in that came off of this page right here. Okay. Off of the page itself. So this is the actual opt-in page or landing page that they're going to go through. This is the first step. The next step. And then what I did, I created a Save Club VSL. Okay. What I did, these are some YouTube videos. Like I said, I'm not in Save Club. I'm not in Save Club. So you can change out these videos, which I highly recommend that you do. Change out these videos. Okay. So I have this Save Club video here. Unlock the power of Amazing Saving Club. Then giving them the opportunity to join right off the bat. If they like what they see here, if they want more information, they can come and see the Save Club opportunity video, 5 ways to get paid with Save Club. And this video right here explains that. Now understand, if you get this funnel, these are other people's videos on YouTube. Okay. So you want to create your own videos to put in here. Okay. Giving them opportunity to join right here. They can watch this video here, and then why Save Club is different. They can watch this video here. Then another opportunity to join. Now, as I said before, these are YouTube videos. Put in your own videos, host them somewhere where people will not have an opportunity to go join someone else. And then down here, you're able to put your information so you are in the mix. You're not just left out of the mix. Now, what you can do here, if you wanted to, between this page and this page, you could put a bridge page, which is, you talking about the opportunity, introducing yourself, getting people the opportunity to know you. But I just wanted to create this little two-step funnel that you can get access to when you join the Home Business Academy funnel builder today for only $25 per month. Okay, as you see right here, you can put your image here. You can put, connect with me. You can put your social media down here, your name here, a little short story about you here on this page. So you can get access to this page. Just reach out to me. My contact information will be above, and you and I can show you. We're going to put this in the template section, and then you'll just be able to go in and move them into your funnel. Okay, so it's just that simple. And I'm going to create maybe a couple of more sale funnels for Save Club that you can get access to as well. And I will put them in the template section right as well. Right now, these are not in there. I'm just showing you what is possible with this little system. Okay. So that's the two-step sales funnel. So how do you build a sales funnel? We use a system called the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. Okay. It's easy, drag and drop. If I wanted to drag some more text over here, I can just drag this in here and boom, I can add more text in here. I'm going to discard that because I don't want to do that with this funnel. If I wanted to, this text right here, if you can't think of anything to write, you can click on the AI and say improve. Click on improve and let it do its thing. Secure your free spot now to earn up to $4,000 without needing to sponsor or sell anything. You see how that did that? If I come back again, I can come over here to these little lines here and I can say make it excited and let it do what it do. Claim your free spot now, unlock the chance to earn. So you can do all of that right there inside of this system. You can do whatever you want to do. You just simply, highlight it. Come here, add some more space in between it. All of that right there. You can change the color of the text. If I wanted to change this color right here, I can just come here and make it red. Go off of it and it's red. All of that stuff right here. You can change the button. All of this right here. Connected to your autoresponder, get response, Aweber, whatever autoresponder that you're using. All of this you can use. So I'm going to discard the changes here because I'm going to come over here. And if I come down to this corner over here in this corner, if I click on the phone, it's going to show you the phone view of it. Okay. Then if you are the tablet view, you have the tablet view, so you can make sure everything there is right. If I want to preview it, I simply click up here on the domain name and it'll open up. Or if I come back over here, click on this eye over here, and you can see what it looks like in another tab, and you can see what it looks like here. Okay, so that's what you can do there. We're going to exit out of there, and then the next step in the process is creating your, your VSL or your video pages, whatever. Okay, you can change all this text up here. You can change the gradient colors up here. Join now button. All of this stuff is editable. If you want to add another image, just click on image. Click right here, go add an image. I can come over here and find an image in here and add it to it. If I had some images in here, see if we got one right here. See if I can find one. I'm just going to use that one right there and select it. And boom, there go the image right there. You can click off of it. You can make it a little bigger. Whatever you want to do with this image, you can do it. Okay, inside of here, if I click on edit image again, we can add some shadows around it. Just say out of shadow. We're going to make it white. Okay, boom. But I would not have this box around it. Okay, so we're going to come back and we're going to say no shadow, and boom. So you're able to do that. All of this information down here is editable. You can edit anything. I'm going to discard the changes. Come over here, look at the phone view, and boom, there it is. Okay, and that's it. So if I come over here and look at this page here, and there's that page right there. So it's just a simple page that I threw together, and you can come in here and do whatever you want to it. Inside of this funnel builder, you can do unlimited Save Club landing pages, Save Club sales funnels, and all of that information right there. You can come in here and do whatever you want to do with this drag and drop editor. We got a lot of element widgets over here that you can get access to. You can use URL redirects and things like that if you want to redirect. If you wanted to redirect to this page right here, Okay. And I know Save Club has the Save Club tour link, and then you can just add your username to the end. But if you wanted to make another pretty URL, then you can come in here and click on that URL redirect and make all of the redirects that you want for any affiliate program that you want. So that's the funnel builder right there. So how do you get access to this funnel builder? When you click the link in the description, you're going to come to this page right here. Quickly build amazing pages and funnels, generate high quality leads, turn those leads into customers and raving fans. Watch this video of Paul and Mike. Get the funnel builder for only $25. That's 82 cents per day. Other funnel builders run you anywhere from $97 up to $200, $300, $500, whatever per month. You can get this for only $25 per month, and you get to earn a residual $20 income sharing this with your team inside of Save Club. So if you want to get access to this funnel right here, two-step funnel, this page and this page right here that's already done for you, I'm going to have them, like I said, put it in the template section. Click that link in the description. Go ahead and get your $25 funnel today and contact me, and we can see if they have not put this into the template section. We can see how I can come in and help you get this funnel set up, because what we do inside of here, they can actually add you, your funnel in here, and I can come in and set this funnel up for you. You will have to connect your autoresponder and things like that. If there's anything else that you want me to do, we'll have to discuss that and things of that nature. So with that being said, if you want to get the funnel builder, go ahead, click the link in the description, come to this page right here, and I look forward to serving you and helping you get your Save Club business off the ground, up and going. You go with a proven landing page that's going to help you start generating leads and hopefully getting sales inside of your Save Club business. With that being said, I hope you got value out of this video. Click the link in the description to get started. Subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.